This ad-free experience brought to you by the letter fuck. Let's get going here. So source code is right here. We're going over the 585 delta. So anything with a 585 in the margin is code that was created or edited in this video. So in the Conways function section within the optimized tile map access, we've modified the putter code. We have a out of bounds negative check right here, but we don't know what the upper bound is until later. So all the way down here at the last step, the 9th step, we're going to check to see if we're out of bounds positive. And if we are, we're going to do nothing. Otherwise, we're going to do the original setting code right here for our putter. Now the getter needs kind of the same correction. So right here, we're going to do our out of bounds negative check right here. We're going to return 0 if we're sampling out of bounds. And then all the way at the bottom here, once again, in the step 9, if we are out of bounds positive, then we're going to return 0 for the getter. And over here, we just made a few miscellaneous modifications by shifting by 0, just to make absolutely sure this number does not end up negative when the 32nd bit is set to true. Okay, let's go down. So right here is the bug that we actually fixed. Like, this is the actual bug fix right here. I think those other things might have been bug fixes, but this is the primary bug fix right here, because when we were calling this getter, we were using undefined for RLX and RLY because we forgot these lines of code right here. So this is inside of the rule set 2 function. So now rule set 2 is working, and it's the same simulation as rule set 1, but it runs much faster. Still not at 30 frames per second, but much faster. Here's what we did previously, and here's our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here to the Ninja Coder channel. You are on the fast playlist on Kanji Coder. Source code is here. You can also just get technical demos here on Weeb Coder. So like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game that uses vertical, horizontal, and 4-way proximity mines. Like and subscribe.